Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install multiple plugins at once in your WordPress website. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you are simply going to click on plugin section, click on add new. Once you get there, we'll simply search for this plugin called Download plugin. So guys, there are several versions, but I'll choose this one here. Click on activate, because I already installed it in my WordPress website. So guys, after activating it, simply click on add new. A new pop-up button is going to display. As you can see here, click on it. From there, now you simply need to insert your plugins in a zip format. So I'll choose it for plugins, install them, click on install now. So the plugins are actually uploading progressively, so you simply need to wait for a while. Okay guys, the first plugin just install, same the second plugin, and the fourth plugin, the third plugin, sorry, and the fourth plugin. So guys, all the plugin just install. So after that, you simply need to click on activate all, or you can simply activate it one by one. So I can click on activate all. So guys, we just successfully activating all those plugins at once. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.